Hey everyone, in this guide I'm going to walk you through how to integrate ClickUp with pretty much anything you use, apps, websites, or tools. And yeah, it's actually way simpler than it sounds. So let's just get into it. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. Once you're in, just hover over your profile icon in the bottom left corner and open the Apps or Integrations page. This is where ClickUp keeps all the built-in connections. You'll see options like Gmail, Outlook, Slack, GitHub, Zoom, and a bunch of others. If your app shows up here, you can just click it, connect your account, and you're instantly good to go. Now, if the thing you want to connect isn't on the built-in list, don't worry. This is where Zapier and Make come in. These tools can connect ClickUp to thousands of apps. So you can link it with Google Sheets, Google Forms, Notion, Shopify, Calendly, whatever you're using. This is basically how you integrate ClickUp with, well, anything. Let's do a quick example. In Zapier, search for ClickUp and choose an action like Create Task. Then pick the other app you want to connect, maybe a form tool or calendar app, and choose what triggers the automation. It might be something like new form entry creates a new ClickUp task. After that, you'll map the fields like names, emails, messages, dates, all that stuff. Save it, test it, and the integration is live. And if you're a bit more advanced, ClickUp also gives you webhooks and full API access, so you can connect custom systems or internal tools without relying on third-party apps. It's super flexible if you're building something unique. And that's pretty much how you integrate ClickUp with, honestly, anything you can think of. Once you set up a few automations, your workflow just becomes so much smoother. Thanks for watching, and yeah, don't forget to like